Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from your Android device to your iOS. So for this to work, I'm going to ask you kindly first to pay attention on my iOS device. On iOS device, please go here on settings. Real quickly on the landing page of settings should be this one. And hop on General tab real quickly here and go to Software Update. Now from here, we just want to make sure we have the best version available for iOS. It doesn't really matter if it says iOS 16.6 or different from your end because you may be watching this for a few months from now. There may be a new release of updates. The important part is iOS update at the bottom part, okay? Now let's go on to the tutorial. For this one, please focus first on the Android device. Go to settings right here and then look for accounts. Simply type in accounts right here if you can find it. If you can find it though, just go to settings and accounts directly. The important part here is make sure you have your Google account fixed properly. For example, as you can see, there's a lot of Google accounts here. Now that's perfectly enough. Now focus on my iOS right now. On my iOS, I just want you to make sure that you are also connected on Google account. So the idea here is we may need to make sure we have the same Google account installed on both devices. So for this one, go to settings, click on contact settings right there, click on accounts, and as you can see, I have my Google account properly installed. And that being said, if you don't have your Google account installed, simply click add account right there. Let me just go back right here. Simply click this one, okay? And then just choose from the list of the accounts you can choose from. You can use Google account, that's the most trusted one. And that being said, if you have connected both Google accounts, which is needs to be identical, just simply go to contacts again, open your contact settings right here, and just drag it down. Give it a few refresh, maybe 3 refreshes, and I assure you guys all of your contacts from Android should be go directly on the contacts on iOS. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys.